Hello and welcome to the first look of IGTV. Let's look at all the different functions and what the hell can we do with this brand new app. Team A, let's go.
Veena V.
Hello my beautiful emeralds, and yes, it's true, there's a brand new app for you to download. Yay! But before you get overwhelmed, before you start thinking, why is there another app that I need to download? Don't worry, it's okay, that's why I'm here. We're gonna go through IGTV together, look at all the different functions, and maybe you don't wanna download it, and that is fine. Don't ever think you need to do something because everyone else is doing it. However, if I'm guessing you're on this channel because you want to get more confident with making your own videos, you want to take action and you want to get ahead in your YouTube learning. So if you have subscribed to this channel for that reason, and if you haven't, make sure you subscribe right now and hit that notification bell. We need to discuss this, and I need to let you know that IGTV, you do really need to get on it if you want to take video content creation seriously. So let's get into this right now. Let's go over to my phone. Okay, so first off, as you can see from my phone, there is a brand new app, IGTV. Before we go into that, let's look how Instagram has changed. Pause this video and you might want to go and update your Instagram app first, and then we can go through this together. So as you can see, when I log into my Instagram, look at that. It says new video from Mum to Millionaire. That is my account, if you're not following me already, full of motivational tips, inspiration, especially if you run your own business. So can you see there? This is why Instagram is, there's just so much they're building into it, and they're really making it into this. It's just a mobile friendly app, isn't it, for you to waste time in your life? But no, there are some serious good benefits as well if you are a business owner, if you want to be building your brand. So let's not go into a different rant here. Let's stay on focus. So as you can see, as I said, look, you're going to now see these little notifications from people who've uploaded videos to IGTV. So if we click on there, there you go. So these are all the people at the bottom who have uploaded things to IGTV already. There you go. And that is my account for you there, Mum to Millionaire. So if we click on that, that's my video that's playing right now. You can like it, you can comment on it just like an Instagram post. So I'm going to write fantastic. This is from me and my dad's account, Real Mauritius, this one. It's going to write fantastic. Posting. There we go, just like Instagram. You can also share it with this little airplane icon right there. I can send it to people. The three dots at the bottom. I can copy that link and send it to people on my WhatsApp or things like that. And then if you click on browse, that will take you back to the kind of homepage of IGTV. But let's look further into what we've got on the screen right here. So just like YouTube, you can upload a title and description to your videos, to your IGTV channel. If you want to create your own IGTV channel, click the link right there and go and watch that video. Keep this video playing as well, but if you want to create your own Instagram TV channel, go and watch that because I show you exactly how to do it and how it's so similar to YouTube in the forms of title and description when you upload your own videos. So that's that part. If we click on the person's profile, so you just click on their name, that's going to show you all the videos they've got. So as you can see, I've only uploaded one video so far to my IGTV channel. Let's click on browse again. And go back to the home page of IGTV. As you can see, like I said, these are kind of recommended videos. Again, very similar to YouTube, recommended videos for me. I can see people I'm following. So you're already following people on your Instagram account. If any of them uploaded a video yet to IGTV, it will display at the bottom right there. Popular. That's great to see what is popping, what is the most viewed on IGTV at the moment. This is a great way if you want to follow new people on Instagram. Again, if you are a content creator, you've maybe already got a YouTube channel, you're looking for other ways to build your brand, create an IGTV channel, because if you get in now, you are more likely to be featured on this popular page. If you wait even a few days, a few weeks, a few months, don't wait a few months, but if you do wait a few months, it's going to be near impossible probably to get on that popular page, because more and more people are going to be doing it unless you've already got a big social media following. But for the mere mortals, like me and you got to get in right now. So these are the popular videos at the bottom. And then continue watching is any videos that you might have started watching, and then you come back in the evening or whenever it is to watch that a little bit later on. And then if we click on the round circle thing up there, you can create your channel. So I can quickly create my Instagram TV channel. There you go, it was that quick to do it. But if you want the proper in-depth tutorial of that, like I said, go and watch that video, I'll link it below, how to properly create and upload your first IGTV. Now, in terms of searching, at the moment, you can search for people, you know, who by that Instagram profile name. So Will Smith has come up there. So if I want to search for, I'm sorry, but she's the first person that came in my head, Kim Kardashian. If I write Kim, there we go, Kim Kardashian. Now, in terms of your own Instagram profile, this is why it's important to put keywords in your Instagram profile, because, for example, lots of people don't know that one of my businesses is called Mum to Millionaire. They ain't going to search that. They don't know who Veena V is. They're not going to search, oh, Veena V randomly. That is why you need keywords in your Instagram profile. So if I type in mumpreneur, oh, it's come up already. Can you see my profile comes up? Because I've put in my profile as the keywords, business tips for mumpreneurs. And as you can see, these other people have come up as well. Mumpreneur lifestyle, mumpreneur. So what are the keywords for your business, if you've got one, your brand? Think about if you're just a person, if you're a person, what is your IGTV channel going to be about? Are you going to be doing beauty, travel tips, gardening, whatever your channel is going to be about? Maybe you don't have a specific niche, maybe you're a mummy blogger or a lifestyle blogger. Just make sure you're always putting keywords in your Instagram profile. Okay, a little side note here. You do not, I repeat, you do not need to download the IGTV app. Everything I've showed you, I actually just did from the Instagram app. So all you need to do is update your current Instagram app, and then there's no need to download the separate IGTV app. Depending on when you watch this video, that might change in the future. You might need to download it to get some extra features, but currently, as it stands, you do not need to download the separate app. And there you go. That is the first look at IGTV. I really hope this video has helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. I don't think I've ever said that in one of my YouTube videos, but give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment below this video. I would love to know, are you actually going to be using IGTV? Are you like me and create a lot of videos already for your business or your brand? Are you going to try and jump on IGTV literally today? Remember, take action today, not tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, you want to take action in your life, you want to get more confident, and you want to finally start making your own social media and YouTube videos, click there to subscribe, and right there is a whole playlist for you to watch all about IGTV, creating your own channel, editing vertical videos, and much, much more. Team A, I love you. It's all time. You